pero si Kiefer talaga eh.
Alam ko. Alam ko si Kiefer talaga. From the very start. Nagaya kay Ella. Na baka sa kaalinan naman ako. But again, I'm wrong. Defeated by the same guy. I'm not stupid, Jay. I knew it already from the day you said yes to me. Hauya is not lying when she said that she saw you and Kiefer. She just saved us from embarrassment. And I also know that you make out with him at the restroom. Andun din ako nang gabing umaming ka sa kanya. If you're asking, how did I know? The answer is simple. Kiefer is not the only one who have ways.